Hi guys!
Wagwan, wagwan.
Welcome back to the Island family.
Yes, today.
It's your girl Maria.
And the island boy there, isn't me?
Provider.
Doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter. Africa, provider, all the same thing. And little island boy.
Yeah, Maria's.
Yeah, did you tell everybody what's happened? Yeah, we did. We did a little video earlier on. Anyways, guys, welcome back to the Island Tribe. We are on another adventure. This time, it's a driving adventure.
Yeah, and we're heading to the state of, well, what am I saying? The state, I mean the city of Sydney. You know what I mean? So, we're going there for a special reason. So, you guys won't be seeing this in this episode, but, you know, stay tuned, you know, as we give you guys the road trip along. Yeah, man, so it's exciting.
So yeah, we're doing a long ass road trip. It's about an 8-hour drive to Sydney.
Yeah.
So we're going to, take our time. You know, we'll probably stop off tonight, sleep somewhere, and then tomorrow we'll continue the journey.
Yeah.
But stay with us, guys, and join us.
Yeah, man.
Join the Island Tribe. Join the Island Tribe.
Another adventure.
Yeah, another adventure.
Yeah.
Let's go now.
For the weekend, you know? So,
yeah, for the weekend only.
Yeah, man.
So, yeah.
Yeah,
Bye.
you stick around, guys.
Stick around.
What time is it now, babe? 5:30 actually. So
Yeah,
we're leaving
5:30.
out late. It's actually dark, getting really dark outside. So
And cold, as you can see. We've got our jumpers and our jackets. So yeah, keeping warm. Plus, it's pretty warm in the car. So yeah.
We're going halfway on the journey, guys. We're not going straight to Sydney. You know, we stop at like a Airbnb or something. We'll find.
Yeah.
Yeah. So.
I haven't even booked anything, guys, so we're just going with the flow.
Yeah.
It's whatever we get, it's whatever it is.
Yeah, we're packed.
You know, we're packed, we're ready to go. Island had a bit of a scare with Island, but we'll talk about that later on.
Yeah.
So
Stick around, guys.
all right, let's go now. Guys, if you're here with us now, we're just here with Island at the doctor's or at the hospital. I'll explain to you, everybody, what's going on later with Mr. Island Boy.
No.
So yeah, just waiting on the doctor to see Island.
Yeah. Because.
You're still in good spirits, aren't you? Aren't you? You're in good spirits, yeah.
Perfect.
And no more
No more Oreos.
Oreos.
Yeah.
Notice how it's healed up here, guys? It's healed up. Yeah, that's healed up now. But we're having another problem, which I'll explain to you guys later.
Island boy. But I'm like, here.
Where are you?
Here.
Where?
Here. That's it.
So as you guys can tell, Island has like a little tilt on his head, so he can't really turn his head to the right. And that's because he has, come show me, come here, show everyone, he's got a little tilt. You can see he's got a tilt. The only reason why is because he's stop doing that. He's got like a swollen gland. His glands, lymph nodes here are swollen, so yeah. So we're here waiting to see the doctor because it's really hard to go to get a GP appointment here. So if it's serious, then you must go to the hospital. So yeah, that's why we're here. Hey, Island?
Yes.
Yeah. So he's still good. It's good spirits, I tell you. Hey guys, so we just stopped off. Hang on, Island. We just stopped off at Grafton. It's our first stop of the night. I just wanted to show you how pretty this actual city is. It's actually really nice. Got nice trees down there. Trees are lighting the town. So yeah, so we just stopped off at the pizza store here, Domino's. Want to get some pizza for dinner. You know, it's what you have for travel lifestyle. So yeah, as you all can see, I've got my hair cut today. It's a bit short. Well, not really short, but yeah, it's short. I didn't think that, oh sorry, it's a bit blurry. I didn't think that he was going to cut it that short, but anyway. Yeah, so we're here. Island.
Hi.
Hi.
Crying.
What?
I'm
Why are you telling lies?
No.
He's telling lies, Dad, saying he was crying. Anyways, so yeah guys, so we just stopped off. Babe's driving.
Yeah, man.
I'm gonna drive shortly.
Yeah.
Yeah, so yeah, take turns. That's what it's about.
Definitely.
All about that. Anyways, I went to a candy store, which I'll show you in a minute where I went, and we ended up getting a bit of candy. So I got Babe to try Pop Rock. Have you ever tried these before?
No.
Was it funny in your mouth?
Yeah, it's like it pops.
It pops.
Yeah.
Yeah, so ended up getting and this is like my old time favorite candy growing up. They're Love Heart lollies. So if you're ever in Grafton, guys, come out to this lolly store. They've got so much lollies. I ended up getting as well like sugar overload, right? Fanta, strawberry Fanta. So yeah, anywho's, that's what I got. And just got lollies and stuff for Island, you know, just to keep him a little bit entertained. Sugar overload once again. Now, by now you probably would have seen the video that Island and I were in the hospital this morning. Yeah, so Island has ear infection and just, yeah, so everything's connected, your ears, your nose, and all of that. So yeah, his lymph nodes are a little bit infected at the moment. And yeah, so he's on some antibiotics, but he's okay. He's not showing pain or signs of uncomfortableness or anything like that. Just that his neck was a little bit swollen. I got really worried and I thought it was like meningitis, and then I thought it was like, you know, a whole ton of things that I shouldn't have been Googling, but you know, Dr. Google sometimes makes you worried. But it was definitely worth going to the hospital because, yeah, because otherwise I wouldn't have known what Island had.
True.
So yeah, oh my gosh, I got a pimple there, babe, look.
Small.
Yeah, I know, but I don't really ever get pimples. But anyway. Anywho's, yeah guys, so the candy store is right behind me and they do like gelato, and we're not going to say Island's favourite word. So yeah guys, this is the candy store. Whole heap of candy bar, Sweet Temptations.
Come on.
Okay, you ready?
Another.
Yep, one
Just
moment.
wait.
Another, please.
Yep, after that. Good boy.
Another, please.
Where's his
Okay.
water? His water's there. So we're just giving him his antibiotic 4 times a day, 4 meals.
No, Mama said no more. No more.
Okay, one more
Island,
squeeze.
last of it.
Okay.
No more, Mom.
Okay.
Yeah.
So guys, we just got to Coffs Harbour and yeah, we're sort of, you know, passing the Coffs Harbour. So we're about 2 hours and 20 minutes away from where we're actually staying. So we still got another 2 hours and 20 to drive. And yeah, so I don't know why they made that look like the Harbour Bridge. Hey? Oh well, you know.
Stay in this lane.
Yeah, stay in this lane. So anyways, we're all good. How you feeling, babe? Knowing that this is the longest you've ever driven in since you've been in Australia, actually.
Yeah. I'm feeling good, just a bit tired.
Tired now? Yeah, he's
Get
tired.
up early this morning.
Yeah, he went to work and did his hours. While I spent most of my day at the hospital with Island, trying to figure out, you know, what's going on with him.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's what I did. And then after that, I ended up getting a haircut, which is a little bit short for my liking, but
Yeah.
it's okay. It grows fast. I've got really thick hair, so in no time it'll be long again.
Yeah.
So yeah. Anyways, guys, we're here at Coffs Harbour, and now we're still gonna drive a little bit longer. We're gonna go pull up at a petrol station, a gas station, to get some fuel.
So guys, we stopped. We're at a rest stop here on the highway. So Babe's gonna drive from now on. Yeah, so we made it. We're much closer now. Yeah, it's so
Hi,
cold.
guys.
So cold.
It's cold and you've got like a shirt on. My
Yeah.
gosh.
For real.
Island's there
Yeah,
in the
so,
car.
yeah, I just took my tablet now, so
I'm driving.
yeah.
I'm tired.
Yeah, I
Let's
mean,
sleep here.
yeah. I swear we can't. We have to go jump in our bed.
If only we had a camping van, we would.
Yeah.
We could sleep here.
Shit, it's cold out. Just let me tell you that.
Yeah.
Can you see that? Look. You see that? I swear it's cold. Trust me.
Oh,
It's winter, man.
we're going. Let's
Yeah.
go. Come on.
Yeah.
I'm getting
Oh,
tired.
almost 10 o'clock now.
Let's
Yeah.
go, guys.
10 minutes to 10 actually. So, yeah, here's the key. Oh my god. It's cold. Alright. Catch you when I get there. So guys, we're there. We made it.
Tired.
Tired like our. So yeah, we are going to go straight to bed right now. Okay. Oh,
11:33
Yeah,
in the night time.
yeah. So
Almost midnight. So yeah, have a few hours sleep and then
yeah, man, we are going
back on the road.
straight to bed. You know what I mean? So tomorrow morning we'll get up, might show you where we're staying at, but yeah, this
Just
is
standard.
yeah, pretty standard. Somewhere for us stay for the night, nothing fancy.
Yeah.
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 Man, so stick around, guys, and good night.
I was going. None of that tonight because Grandpa's tired. So yeah, we got to keep it cool because Island's still awake. Oh, anyways.
Yeah, man. Good night to you all, and you guys will see the next scene in a flash. It's open. This is where we're staying, guys. We're leaving now. That's room number 1. And we're actually close by to a river. You guys can see that's a river right there. It's really big. There's a walkway down there, I think, but I don't know if we'll go. Yeah, it's a big river. So just leaving here now. It's after 9 morning, and we are headed to Sydney. So we all got a bath and ready. Yeah, the sun is bright. Yeah, man. So
You want to do a video in there or not? Hi guys, welcome back to the Island family.
welcome. Good morning.
It's another morning. Anyhows, we're on a roll. We didn't really share much with you this morning because Island's been really fussy this morning.
Yeah.
He's vomiting a lot of phlegm. So anyways, we're still going to go with this trip because we're already halfway here anyway. So
Yeah.
there's no time in turning back.
Yeah.
So we're ready to go, get some coffee, some breakfast, and yeah, let's go.
Hit the road.
And we're not going to show you the room because it's really basic.
Yeah.
There's no need for that.
Yeah.
All good.
Yeah. So the place is called what?
Oh yeah, but if you want to come here, just check it out. Tari Motor Inn. There's like a big river out there.
Yeah.
So yeah,
Yeah, man. It's very chilly.
it's very
actually.
yeah, it is.
So
Alright,
let's go,
now.
guys. See you. Look at this mess, guys. Last night, Island got the popcorn and throw it all over, tip it all over. If you look in IKEA, even though popcorn did it from last night, I take out some. Yeah, need a vacuum to remove this all, man. Big mess. Yeah. So so much, yo. Yeah. Life on the road.
What?
You did it.
No, you.
You did it.
No, you.
So for the people that's been asking about Island nose, it wasn't really a cut, it was more like a scrape.
It healed up really fast.
Yeah, heal up good.
You have a part in this.
Yeah, so he's good now.
The babe's just dropping off the key. That's is it.
So this is the town of Tari. Oh, so that's
The population is. Oh.
the river. So much birds, you see them?
Yeah, I'm thinking of. I wonder what's the population of Tari here.
The Google. So we did a quick Google search, and the population is 26,000 and some change. You know? Yeah, man. And we even just Googled casino population census 2016. I can't say 11,000, but
Yeah.
that's 2016 population would have grown.
Oh no, no parking here, guys.
I left it.
Woman, are you jaywalking or what? Yes, she is.
What? Dumb. Let's take that. Yay! Are we in the games?
Little cafe there. Let's go there. Seems a bit more quieter. This one here. Little Italy. Wanna go there?
Yeah, Italian coffee.
Yeah, we'll go there. We'll go there.
Finding parking now.
Park here now. Sit down, put my jacket on because it's cold. An island's jacket. Let's go have some Italian coffee.
Let's go.
Coffee.
Vamonos.
Vamonos.
Go inside of the Italian cafe. Just gonna wait. Looks really nice.
Yeah. So we want maybe a chai?
Yeah, chai. It's beautiful. And the lighting and everything.
It's warmer in there, yeah, I thought so. Definitely. You want that? Okay, come and sit down and we'll come back in here. Island. Yeah, it's not a donut, it's a Danish pastry, but that's okay. You can call it donut, it's a donut. Yeah, yeah.
What's yours?
Cappuccino, the usual.
Cappuccino and
Yeah.
chai latte.
Give Island a try a little bit. Island, here.
Nice.
I love it. Well,
It's good.
good.
What you having, babe?
It's supposed to be a panini.
Yeah.
They call it Benny panini.
Yeah.
But it's on Turkish bread, so anyway. It's all good.
And I'm having what they call a big brekkie.
Wow, that looks great.
Yeah, should I tell them fried egg a bit more, but it's all good. I'll eat it. And
Bon appetit, as they say.
yeah, bon appetit.
Appetit.
Island, look at him diving into his space, right? Nice. Okay, good. So just finished. Island, come over this side.
Hamburger.
Just finished breakfast, and yeah, we're gonna hit the road. All of that came to like $49.
That was pretty cheap.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're ready.
Got points in the car.
Cool outside, I swear.
It's a bit chill.
Yeah, inside is warm.
Yeah. Fine. I wonder what Tyree's good for though. Like what kind of factories do they have here? You know, like what do they construct? What's it what's it all about? What's the manufacturing thing about?
Yeah.
Is it like meat works here or wow, is that birds all up there?
Yeah, that's what I was showing you. It's birds. You guys wouldn't be able to see it. Look how they group up. So many. Look. Wow, this is like a little island in the river. Someone in there. There's a guy in his boat. Such a long bridge.
It is. Such a long river.
Yeah. Broad too.
So I'm guessing the ocean must be nearby.
Yeah, I would assume so.
Wow, the cows are laying down. Isn't that nice? Like people do certain things to make like their structures look different or unique.
True.
Because I guarantee you the trees those trees were cut by man like a man.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? It's not like it was made like that. Makes sense. So guys, we just stopped to do the pressure. So we just want to 40 kp. What's below that? 45. Yeah, so we'll go 40. Yep. And babe's gonna pump up the tires. Okay, maybe we should do the pressure a bit more.
Think so?
I'm not sure. It's just
Feel too fast?
yeah, it's feeling too quick, eh? We'll do the back one and then start again from the other side again. So we just had to put the pressure up, guys, the tires, because it's a long ride. So it's always good to check. Make sure that the pressure's good.
Like, there
Is it all not surprising? Most damn near present.
yes.
In this case, this is you can't own a genre.
That, and I think essentially that's what they're fighting. Like, I believe the government needs to step in and actually do right now.
Yeah.
And on the flip side too, the players within this music thing, this dancehall music thing, need to be better. You need to act more professional, getting the business right. And so this not gonna happen. This should never happen, or whatever. But in terms of getting involved in the
Guys, look at this Barbie. Yeah, it even says it. Barbados.
They might not be Barbadian, but
Yeah.
Barbadian.
Look like two white people. They probably say what shit they're filming us. Yeah, so that's a Barbados flag there. The Bayesian them in the place.
Wait, she looks like she's from Barbados.
You think so?
Yeah, she probably is.
They probably saw us filming. Shit. They wave. That's a real rocky mountain, and look, this trees mixed with rocks, pretty much. Wow, it's pretty. So it's like a whole bridge, that one, it looks like.
Yeah. Jeez, it looks rusty as hell.
Yeah, this must be the new one that we're on now. Look at the rocks, it's like shelves. Look at it.
Beautiful.
Some of them just standing out like on a ledge where you can just imagine walking on that.
We should go to Jenolan Caves.
Yeah.
Trucks being searched, traffic patrol.
Oh,
Making
really?
sure that his load's not too heavy, everything's strapped down, making sure that they don't have narcotics. I think they even do drug testing. Sorry, my car's slow, I can't help it.
You look at this highway, guys, they have to cut through these rocks to create this road. It's crazy.
They would have had to, yeah.
Yeah, because the whole mountain is rocky if you look. Trees are on top, but it's really rock underneath.
So they cut the rock out.
Yeah, they cut these mountains. Look how they shape it up to build these roads.
I wonder how the road is from like St. Mary in Portland down to like the junction.
Yeah, and even the highway that they're building from St. Thomas to Portland. Yeah, I've seen some videos, but not much. I didn't really watch them that fully in details to see what it looks like.
There's my car.
Yeah, Range Rover.
Yeah, that's my only car I've ever really. I just love the shape of it. It fits a thick girl like me. Again? What an absolute idiot!
This guy right here almost caused a big accident, guys. Right in front of us.
Right in front of us, yeah.
Yeah.
Does he like it if I just knocked in his way? Absolutely dummy.
What?
Where did he get his license from? I don't know. Cornflakes box.
Coffee block?
Yes, Gucci, a cornflakes box. We're in Sydney. We're in Sydney, guys. Oh, it's been a very, very long day traveling.
So you see the traffic now that we're in Sydney.
Oh, it's never ending now.
You're not in the heart yet, it's just entering, eh?
Yep. It's the worst.
So right now we're just 23 minutes to our hotel. On the road. There you go, guys. Getting a glimpse of the big skyscraper buildings. Country come to town. Can't see that to Sydney, you know?
My gosh, yeah.
Yeah, man.
In 1 kilometre, turn right.
Too busy.
Yeah.
Like literally to get
Continue
a
onto
unit.
Ryde Road.
To get a unit out in here is like mostly your wage, like your whole week's wage.
Yeah. And if you want luxury, that's even more.
Yeah. You have to work like 2 jobs to be able to
In
afford.
3.6 kilometres, bear left to merge onto M2 motorway towards Sydney.
No, please.
expensive to live in the city, guys. Yeah, DJ Ziv.
Wow, look, Island, the city. Big city.
Stay in the road 2 lanes.
Go that way. Turn me down.
Getting in the city, guys. See the buildings?
What the hell?
That's one thing I love about coming to the city. Like, I actually love seeing the tall buildings. Yeah, coming from a small island. This is just really fascinating, you know?
Papi.
Yeah, man. Beautiful to see. Trust me.
I know you are.
It's actually cold out here, guys. From what we felt already. Colder than Casino, honestly.
Yeah. Casino right now would be about 20,
Yeah.
22, 21. 17 here.
Because honestly, back home we can go out in the sun and get the warmth. Feels like the sun, you're not even feeling anything really.
Yeah. Wow, what are they building here? New South Wales government.
Always.
Spending all money.
Always development.
Stay in the right lane. In 1 kilometre, turn left onto McLaren Street.
Oh, crow's nest. Okay.
One minute away from our destination, somewhere down this road. Winter make the tree them look weird. No leaf.
No leaf, no life.
Only a few trees. Yeah. Our destination is down there, according to the map.
Oh, there's buses. I think we can catch those buses.
Yeah.
Yeah. We're gonna catch buses.
So I just say, guys, in the next video you guys will get the reveal of what we're doing today.
We're gonna catch
Yeah,
buses.
so stick around.
We're gonna catch bus. Catch buses, Mom.
Okay, 54, which
Mommy,
is down
catch
there.
buses.
Alright, Thailand.
It's on the Miller.
Arrive at 54 McLaren Street. Arrived.
Okay.
No entry.
There.
Oh my god, I need to poo. Is it through there?
I have no idea. This map. He didn't even say left or right. Right?
No, I didn't know. It just, I think this is it. Yeah, the Miller Hotel. Okay. Hopefully we're on the right direction here. No one's going to come swinging around the
Oh,
corner.
this place is so narrow. This road.
Oh. Hopefully we don't have...
Mom, it's scary.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
Huh? Made it, Bubba.
You made it.
Yes.
Bro, where are we parking?
We're looking for parking now. So we paid $78 for parking.
Yeah.
And we're gonna be here for the weekend.
Yeah, but what the hell?
Yeah, where's the... We're on a different, like a complete different street. We're out on the road. Where is that place?
I don't know. Let's just go around.
Dada,
Underground parking.
Dada. Yeah,
Yes, Bobo. Give me.
yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Look at my
Did they give you a number to park in?
Look at my hands.
Show me.
So most of these places, from what I see, they have underground parking because it's a city and they don't have the space. So
Yeah.
hotel on top, parking underground.
Okay, maybe I should park here and we'll get everything out
Yeah.
and then I can reverse in there.
Yeah.
Oh, it scares me. It really scares me.
Whoa, what's up?
Oh, what's going on there?
Whoa,
It's like they're doing...
big knife.
Oh,
Sydney's always been busy though.
yeah,
More population, more people, more things.
yeah.
So guys, this is our room for the next 2 days. And we're just, you know, enjoying life as we should. Enjoy life.
The little boy is supposed to lock way up.
Alan, no, you might lock us in and then we won't be able to get out.
Imagine that.
Oh my gosh.
Imagine he locked the door. We'd have to call some emergency. Well, someone could just come and open it. So we have to put my hand through this because this camera fell from here. We're done. It's done.
Window. Let go. Let go, Mom. Let go, window. Let go, Mom.
Oh, shoot. I looked down, but I didn't look up. Look at up. All the way up there. Oh my god.
Go down now. I love you so much. Ready to fly like Superman.
Right.
Ready? Alan's gonna fly. Never.
No, bro. Oh, what are these things on this tree? Can you see those things, babe, there on the tree?
Oh yeah, it looks like fruit.
Yeah, but I doubt you can eat it.
I don't doubt it either.
Yeah. Wow. I hate looking down from tall building. Like my feet, underneath my feet always like tickles.
Yeah.
It's very weird. Yeah.
Oh, it's a bit zoomy.
Yeah.
Zoom it in. Yeah. So guys, you know.
You want to? I'm sorry.
We're gonna check out the room
show them
now.
inside.
Yeah. Let's go and check you out.
It's recording, right?
Yeah. Alright, so this is the Miller Hotel.
No.
The Miller Hotel, so just a queen bed for us to sleep on.
Let go watch movie.
Island there. TV. Nice picture on the wall.
TV.
Okay.
So just a very simple stay. You've got a nice cupboard here to hang your stuff up. Another cupboard. Some drawers. An ironing board and whatnot. And then you've got the bathroom here. And just a basic shower, nothing too fancy. Good thing is they give you like toiletries, which I'll use definitely. Maybe not the lotion for the body, but yeah, that is the hotel for now. Little bar fridge, nothing in there obviously, nothing at all, just a very standard hotel. and that is a hallway. So that to that. Yeah. We didn't lock it. Just lock it now. What are you doing?
Like Betty.
You want to sleep?
Cold, don't wanna go to bed.
Really? But we're going to go out now.
Mom, go see.
You want to go sleep?
Yeah.
You have to have your medicine now. We're a bit behind on it. Okay?
Okay.
Good night.
Good night, Mom.
I love you.
Love you.
Good night, darling.
Good night.
So there you have it, guys. This is a 2-day stay in Sydney. So stay tuned for the next episode of, you know, of us exploring Sydney, and not just that, to see why we came here this weekend. Now, for those that are going to quickly jump into the comment section and say, oh, but you could have stayed with your mum and saved money. Yes, I know, we could have and we would have, but we just wanted to have our own sort of privacy time and, you know, spend time with just me, Island and hubby. So why not? Let's enjoy while we're here. So here we go, guys, for the next one. Till the next one.
Yeah, man. So thanks for watching and stay tuned. You know what I mean? Till next time. We're the Island family, and you guys are the Island tribe. So stick around.
Stick around.
We are the road.
Let's go now.